Hey there, it's Lyndon Holdeman, Holdeman Realty Group, of course, and for 20 plus years, I've been helping buyers, sellers, and investors buy and sell real estate in the greater Las Vegas Valley. And today it's our Friday. It's our Friday mortgage update. And so, by the way, as we start this off, if you ever do need a referral to a great lender that can help you with figuring out what you qualify for or what you can buy or what your payments would be if you bought a house and so on, we work closely with several great lenders here in town. So just, reach out, connect on the link below or give us a quick call or an email. We'd be more than happy to refer you to a lender. That would be really, really good. So anyway, so it's Friday. It is April 19th, and the mortgage rates have actually not improved this week. Last Friday, they were at 7.3, and then during the week, they actually peaked out on Tuesday, and they hit a high of 7.5, which is a really highest point we've been in quite some time. And then they came down some, thankfully, and now as of today, Friday, they've pushed up a little bit, but we're still below that high point of 7.5. We're at 7.44 as of this morning. And so a couple factors influencing that have been the Feds did signal that originally at the start of the year that they were going to have probably 3 rate cuts this year to the short-term rate that the Feds control, and which does indirectly, as I've explained before, doesn't directly impact the mortgage or reflect in mortgage rates, but it does have an impact on, mortgage-backed securities, which then affects mortgage rates and so on. So anyway, so so 7.44, we hope they'll come back down, but the reason is, like I said, is the Feds have signaled that they're probably not going to do any more rate cuts this year after they had said they were going to do 3. And now they did originally signal that they might even do rate hike this year, but they've now, from everything I'm seeing, have stated that that's unlikely. They've backed up from that. So the expectation, unless inflation just really calms down to almost nothing, they're not going to, the mortgage rates are probably going to stay higher than we hoped for the rest of this year. So that's what it is. That being said, let's talk a little bit real quick, just briefly, on a product which for years has been known as reverse mortgage, or now the common term is HECM, which stands for Home Equity Conversion Mortgage. And it's a real popular product, or becoming more popular, and I think rightly so, because a home equity conversion mortgage allows somebody that's 62 plus to actually be able to purchase a home or refinance their home and stay in it and have no mortgage payment. Yeah, no mortgage payment. I mean, imagine having a house that you own. You can buy it cash normally. Let's say you're buying a house cash, but instead of doing that, you could purchase it with a home equity conversion mortgage, where you take maybe instead of $500,000 cash to buy $500,000 home. And there's factors, by the way, it depends on your age and depends on some interest rates, obviously, and other factors that come into play. You can actually purchase that home for significantly less amount of cash and then have no mortgage payment, because basically the payments, to use basic simple terms, your payments are made by the equity in your home, and so you don't have to come out of pocket. Your equity is just getting less, assuming that values stay flat. Your equity would be less every month as the mortgage payment's made. And so it's a product that can be very useful, especially if cash flow is an issue for seniors, or if you want to purchase a home, but you want to change the house you're in, you want to sell the house you're in and buy another one, but you don't want to use up all your cash. You can do that. There's other ways to make the same thing happen through a good financial advisor sometimes, but most people find that the benefit of having a home equity conversion mortgage is definitely a plus. And then recently I just heard a proprietary product, which I won't get into detail in this video, but where you could actually do something even lower than the 62 threshold that the government backed reverse mortgage is. So anyway, so hope that makes sense. I'll get into more detail if there's interest enough in another video, but just wanted to touch on that. Linden Holdeman, Holden Realty Group. As always, click on the link below. Love to have a chat with you anytime about real estate. I love real estate, love talking real estate. And so have a great weekend. Hope you enjoy the info on this video. And if you would like my channel and follow me, that'd be awesome. And of course, reach out if you want to talk. Linden Holdeman, Holdeman Realty Group.